We'll show you the Healey 3000 then, that's been cleaned today, inside and outside, ready to go back to the customer. This is one that we've done the whole job on, whole restoration, including the interior. So yeah, quite exciting really to see it go back to the customer, so it can be enjoyed for the summer. And there's interior in there that's all been done. And new hood cover as well, with the optional single opening, so that you can have cover across the top, but would just still be able to be driving it, so it's quite cool. And, we restored the wheels as well for the customer. It's had a new chassis, everything, so quite an impressive build. Looks really good now.